Hey guys, it's Randy with Randy Reviews, and I'm doing a quick unboxing. So I was going through my index app as I do every day now, and I was like, damn, did I buy a purse this year? Like, I haven't really bought anything. So I checked. I bought 2 purses. Both of them were thrifted, and both of them were under 30 bucks. So literally, y'all, I spent $60 in the whole 2025 on bags, which was great. But it also made me think, okay, so that means I can spend a little something. I had points at Blackwood, and so I was like, let me go check and see what he got. So I don't know if he's getting rid of the Kendrick trunk, which is his like signature bag, but it was like kind of giving the vibe that he's like about to get rid of these, because he's like, you know, final restock or something like that. It said something to the effect of that. So I was like, okay, maybe I want to get another trunk before these disappear. So that's what I got, and that's what I'm going to show you. It comes in this black box, and first of all, he got rid of, so previously you would get an actual box like to keep your bag in after you know, get it unboxed. He got rid of that. The prices have definitely went up on the bags. My Kendrick trunk that I bought, I think 2 years ago, was $100. I know it was on sale. It was like 50% off, so I think it was originally $200. The Kendrick trunks now, the standard size is between $250 and $275, depending on which ones you get. I had enough points to get $50 off of any bag or any item that I purchased, and so this one was $275 with the $50 off, so $225. And it came in just a little baggie like this. You still get the cotton dust bags, which I have a million of, and then it comes in this Blackwood little wrapping paper. So that is new. It didn't used to have this on the outside. You would open up the box and it would just be right in there. And I like those little keepsake boxes. I'm kind of mad he got rid of them, because I use them not just to store my purses, but up for other stuff, because they're like super sturdy and nice. So that's kind of blah. I understand stuff is super expensive, and probably due to the tariffs and all of that, you probably had to go ahead and get rid of it. But if you're gonna go up on the price, at least keep the box. So this is the trunk that I got, and as you can see, it's a crystal cheetah leopard printed bag. It has tan leather at the bottom with the gold feet, the signature B, and then the handle is just the same matching leather. Isn't she pretty? Let me look at it. Let me open it up so I can show y'all the inside. And then the inside is black. I wish the inside was brown, actually. That's neither here nor there, but I think it would have been cute with like a dark brown inside. And actually, on the site, these black crystals look brown. So it looked like it was like tin and brown, but in reality it's tin and black crystals, which is still fine because it's still super cute. So yeah, that's what I got myself for being a good girl this year. Plus I wanted to use my points because they expired November 29th. So I was like, I ain't letting y'all get my $50. And he really didn't have anything that was, it was 50, it had to be at least $100 spend. And I think besides wallets, he had maybe one bag on there that's like around one something. All of the bags now are over $200. Some of them $300 to $400. Most of them $300 to $400. So yeah, I'm guessing once he gets rid of the Kendrick trunk, he's probably going to up those prices again, because he just popping now. He can do that, I guess. But, you know, like I said in my previous handbag videos, I'm going to be dumbing down my Blackwood buying, period, just because I already have like 7 bags and the prices is just going up and up and away. So I got some other purses on my wish list that I want, that I've been holding out on, so I'm not going to be buying any more for a while. I did a whole year this go around. It might be a couple more years until then. So that was what I had. I just wanted to do this quick video before I get to putting that purse in my closet and getting to wearing her and stuff. And yeah, that was it. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.